Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. This is the fourth part of the Kotlin Flow playlist. In this video, I'm going to show you the differences between collect and launchIn, and I'm going to explain each of them separately as well, and I'm going to tell you where you should use this one, where you should use that one, and which one you should avoid. And also in the second part of the video, I'm going to show you more terminal operators to make you familiar with them and to show you how you can use them when you are working with flows. If you are ready, let's get started. In the first video of this playlist, we built together this project. Here we had a repository. We faked a network call by this function, and we build a flow of numbers between 1 to 10 every 1 second. And then we got these numbers here in the view model using this code, and we display them in this tag. Let's see the output quickly. The numbers from 1 to 10 by delay of 1 second are displaying here. Okay, now I'm going to change it a bit. Consider we have now 2 network calls. Both of them are the same. And let me change this to first flow and this one to second flow. Consider we have an e-commerce application on the top. We have this network call to display the promotion, and down below we have another network call to display the new collection, and we don't need this one. So let's see what happens. The first flow, which was the promotion, is displaying, but there is no item display for the second flow, which was the new collection. As you see, the first flow is blocking the coroutine because it's suspend in the nature, the collect command, I mean. And after it finishes, we can see the second network call. So it's not a good approach to have 2 network calls, one after the other one. The user will not stay until the first process finishes and the second one starts. We must do it parallel, and we should display the data at the same time. So to do this, we can have dot on each, and here at the end using launching. And then here I need a scope to mention, and I can write simply this. And here as well on each dot launching. Okay, now let's check it again and see the difference. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and as you can see, parallelly we are receiving the data and displaying it to the user. So this approach is very better than the first one to display the data received from the network call. So as you can see, there is no sign of suspending here, so the launching is not suspend, but the collect is suspend in nature and it's sequential in the nature. So we should not use it in our network calls. I recommend you to avoid it as much as you can. All the time we used dot collect using curly braces, and here as you can see I'm using dot collect with parentheses, and if you hold the mouse on it you can see that it is a shorthand for collect with curly braces. So doesn't matter which one you are using, the behavior and the result is the same because these two collects are completely the same. So just like the other terminal operators, you can use both types. And as you can see here, launchIn is a shorthand for scope.launch in curly bracer flow.collect. So it's completely the same as this without this suspend sign and blocking the coroutine. So I recommend you to use launchIn when you want to use the flow. You may ask, so when we should use the collect? Whenever you have two network calls but independent, or maybe the first network call has a response and you want to parse this response into the second request to get another data, you can use the collect. For example, if you have a movie application, the first call will show the name of the movie or some details, and this one, the second one, will display the fully detailed and some images about the movie and etc. So you can first launch this one, then launch this one after the other one, not at the same time. And you can use this. That's it for the collect and launchIn. And now let's go to check some other terminal operators. Okay guys, how was the video till now? If you like it, please give me a thumbs up right now, and if you are new in the channel, please hit the subscribe button to be aware about the new videos. And if you want to financially support me, you can click on the thanks button and donate me a short amount of money. And let's continue. Here I've listed some terminal operators for you, and let's run it to see. Down below I have more, and I've commented some of them because I don't want to make the video so long. You can have access to them through the link down below in the description through my GitHub, and then you can copy and paste them in your project and see the result. But some of this are here on the top, and we're going to check them together. Let me make it a bit narrow. Okay, here I build a flow of some numbers randomly between 1 to 5. Some of them are repeated, actually all of them. Number 1 I think 3 times, the rest of them only 2 times. Okay, as you can see all of them are suspend in nature, so I use run blocking to run them without any error. And if it's possible for you, you can make this function suspend and avoid this, and the result will be the same. First one, the first terminal operator that I use here is to list. I have a flow and I want to convert it to list, so simply I'm using the name of this value and adding a terminal operator of toList, and the result will be this. It will transform this flow to a list form. The second one is to set, and as you can see, out of all of the numbers, it will eliminate the repeated numbers, and we will see the numbers between 1 to 5. The next one is first, so it will display the first number in this flow for us. The next one is first predicate. So here I used a filter and I said any number larger than 2 should be displayed here, but only the first one. So the first one is number 5 out of this all of numbers, and it displayed here. Then I use the reduce. As you can see, some of them, like the first, are used at the end, some of them with this, as I said in the collect. Okay, here I have accumulator and the value. The accumulator is this number, and then the value will be the second number. Then we will sum these two numbers, and the result will sit in the accumulator, and the next number, which is 3, will sit in the value till the end. So the summation of all of these numbers will be 31, and you can see it here. The next one is somehow the same with this, but here I have fold, and as you can see, I have a initial value here, which is number 6, a default value. You can have any other number that you want. The 6 will sit at the first time in the accumulator, then in the value number 5, number 2, 3, 3, and you can see that the result will be 35. The summation of all of the numbers with initial value. And you can use all of these terminal operators on a flow, and you can see the behavior of it, and you can use them in your applications wherever you need them. Okay guys, that was everything I wanted to tell you about this topic, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up right now. And if you are new in the channel, please hit the subscribe button to be aware about the new videos. In case of any comment, write them down below in the comment box, and I'm going to answer them ASAP. Have a good time, happy coding, see you